What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, back again with another video. I usually don't do political videos and my views on politics and stuff like that, but I just seen this meme or post on Instagram about how former President Trump said that he's going to enjoy going against Kamala Harris because he feels like it's going to be an easier win for him. Okay, that's interesting, right? That's interesting. He's like, yeah, good. Get your second string in, and we're definitely gonna beat her, right? So my question to my YouTube viewers, all my people, all my 10,000 subscribers, which for me is a lot, but as I've been made aware of, it's not really a lot, but whatever. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Y'all think Trump is gonna win? Y'all think that Kamala Harris is in over her head? That she's not gonna be able to win this battle, win this election? I mean, let me know what y'all think. Leave a comment. You know what I mean? Like this video. Let me know what you think is gonna happen. I'm not gonna tell you who I'm gonna vote for because I don't want that type of swaying, anything like that. Just know, it's gonna be someone that looks like my mom. It's gonna look like my mom. It's gonna look like a family member that I'm gonna vote for. That's I mean, you can take that and run with that. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. That's my thought process. My question. You know what I mean? Like, what do y'all think? Who gonna win? Who gonna win the election in November? Right, this November, who gonna win the election? It's gonna be interesting to see what happens. I know who I'm gonna vote for. You know what I mean? Already. I knew who I was gonna vote for before, but now I know who I'm really gonna vote for. Right. Anyhow, it's raining right now, so I don't want my phone to get too wet. But with that being said, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off. Who you think is gonna win? Kamala or Trump? Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Cause